Hey everybody, my name is Mark. I'm a regional sales rep and systems engineer for Prospient, and today we're walking you through one of my projects called Greenscale over here in Boise, Idaho. So right in front of us here, we have our fish house where we have 2-inch IMP panel on the gables and the sidewalls, and then 4-inch IMP panel up on the roof. This is where all the fish operations are held. This is where fish are grown, fish are treated, we've climatized it, the whole 9 yards there. And then moving a little bit down, we have 3 bays of greenhouse here. We've got greenhouse 1, 2, and 3. We're doing deep water culture inside of all 3 of them. We're doing traditional evaporative pad and exhaust fan cooling on the inside. We have heaters in there. We have LEDs. And as you can see, there's the 3 of them. So we have entrances, we have upper gable, we have roof, venting, we have the whole 9 yards. Really nothing was spared on this one. We have all the design aspects included. And then kind of moving along, we've got twin wall polycarbonate on the gables, the roof, everything up there. And then this back building here is kind of what we would call a processing head house. So that's where we're doing our lettuce harvesting, that's where we're doing basil harvesting, everything like that. And yeah, that's Greenscale for you. So quick insight into a really cool project that we were able to complete in Boise, Idaho.